Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I want to explain about how to resolve the error. Could not create Java virtual machine. A fatal exception has occurred. Program will exit. If you observe, now I'll try to execute an command java version. I'm getting the version in my mission, but if I try to execute the same command with two icons, then I'm getting the error. Now I'll show you how to resolve it. First of all, copy the path where you have Java and open system variables. Now I have opened the system variables and I have clicked on the environment variables. Now in the system variables, I need to double click on path. Here I need to replace, if you observe, I have something like OpenJDK, right? I replace it with my current JDK version which I want to get it on my command prompt when I search for the command java version, and I have clicked on OK. And let me open the command prompt again. Let me try to execute the command java version. Now the error is resolved. Let's try with one hyphen also. I hope you guys got your error resolved. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.